One of the key reasons why property prices continue to rise in most parts of Australia is that we have a shortage of dwellings at a time of high demand. That high demand has been enhanced by high levels of population growth in the past 2 years, largely through high numbers of overseas migrants coming into Australia. Now, everyone knows about the housing shortage. We're not building enough new homes. The industry doesn't have the capacity to do so thanks to bad government policy, and the homes that are being built are incredibly expensive, also because of bad government policy. One of the other factors in play in housing markets putting upward pressure on property prices in many locations is the low number of listings of properties for sale. The latest data from SQM Research measures the number of homes that are currently for sale in the 8 capital cities and also nationally. And that data shows that in July, every capital city of Australia saw the number of properties listed for sale decline. And in a number of our cities, they've also fallen in annual terms. Nationally, there are 3% fewer homes for sale now than there were in June, because there were declines in every one of the capital cities. In Darwin, which is now one of the strongest markets in the country, the number of listings fell 5.4% month on month. In Hobart, which is also a rising market, the number of listings fell 4.3% month on month, and we've also seen significant declines in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. In annual terms, the number of listings nationwide are down 2% compared to the same time last year. But we've seen much larger annual declines in listings in individual cities, particularly in Darwin, where they're down 37% compared to the situation a year ago. Brisbane listings in annual terms are down 8% and Melbourne is down 4%. But the number of properties listed for sale are now 70% higher in Perth than they were 12 months ago, which is another indication that the Perth boom is well past its peak. In Adelaide and in Canberra, the number of listings are also up in annual terms, although in the most recent month they have dropped. Overall, the listings figures from SQM Research provide further evidence that we have a shortage of supply in most of the key markets across the country, which means we're going to see further upward pressure on property prices given the ongoing high level of demand.